Okay, so here I have a pork leg that I've been sitting for about a half hour already in water and apple vinegar. I'm gonna let that sit a little bit longer and then I'm gonna put it to boil. Be right back. Okay, so here I have it on high and I'm going to add, this is supposed to be 2.5 cups of salt, 2.5 tablespoons of salt, but I'm only gonna use all of it. It's going to reduce, so we're going to add that. Here I have 4 bay leaves, 4 laurel. Here I have 8 cloves, garlic. Here I have 1.5 onion. They're small, so we're going to add those. And we're going to let it come up to a boil so we can take off the top layer. Be right back. Okay, here I have about 1/2 cup of ginger. Oops. Overboard. We're going to let that come up to a boil, so keep covered, okay? Okay, here I am adding my 2 tablespoons of black pepper. We're going to toast. I have 5 star anise. I have coriander, 2 tablespoons, and 2 mustard seeds. We are going to toast these. Once we're done toasting, we are going to add them into our little tea bag here.
What's this cup?
No, that's my cup, Vale. we are going to take this off the heat now since they're already toasted. And they're bouncing everywhere like popcorn. Okay, so now I'm going to transfer it into here. I kind of put them in here, which is easier for us to do. It's okay, whatever falls out. You guys gotta smell these.
Excuse me.
Sorry, I'm trying to keep it close. There it is.
Huh?
Hear it?
Good.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add this so it cooks. We're gonna let it fall in. Hopefully we can connect her down here. Yeah, so there we go. So now she's in the pot. Here's the sugar. We're supposed to use rock sugar, but I don't have that. So there we go. So now we're gonna let it finish cooking. I'm probably gonna bring out the meat so I can check it out. I'll be right back. Here we have the fish sauce. It's 1 cup. Might need more. We gotta taste it, okay? Okay, here I've already removed the meat, so now we're just gonna let this cook while I shred the meat, and then I will put it to the side. So here I have the yellow noodles. So these ones look like they'll go quicker, so I'm going to go ahead and add in like the snow peas for my son. He's gonna get snow peas. He's gonna get some bok choy, and we are going to cook it. With the noodles, yeah. So these ones are quicker. These ones probably be done in less than 5 minutes. Okay. So we're gonna let that go. Let it go a little longer. Okay. So this is done. Okay, so 5 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and add his. Some of his lemon. I'm gonna add some of his meat over here. And then his meatballs are in the pot, so I will show you that once I serve it.
¿De carnitas? ¿Tienes de carnitas?
So we're gonna discard the bay leaf. Okay, now his soup is done. Now that's how I make the second type of noodle for pho. Thanks for watching again. Bye. And I've added this to my soup, so that's how the soup looks. Jum jum. Oh yeah, pho for us Mexicans. Well, have a good night, you guys. Yeah. I'm out of the onion one, but that's good.